Well, good morning, viewers. Today we're back working on this 21 Kia Sorento. We've got a new high flow oil pump. There's the part number from the dealer. Looks like it's held on with four fasteners. Two on this side, two on this side, and the electrical plug. Now there's a couple of O-ring seals on the tubes that go into it and the O-ring seals on the housing. I also got a quart of dual clutch transmission fluid because we're going to lose a little bit. That's not cheap. It's like $75 a quart. That's ridiculous. Mind you, that's Canadian dollars, so that's about 30 American. No, I'm just kidding. So there's a third O-ring that goes on this port. That's it right there. I matched it up to a universal O-ring and I've inserted it in the case. So we're going to put a little bit of fluid on the O-ring seals and install this. So to access the fill plug, you got to take the air induction system out. So there's a clamp here, two bolts, one here and one here. And the housing comes out. If you take this bracket off, this bolt, 10 mil bolt, this nipple comes out of the air induction system. So this is where we add the fluid. I gotta look at where we check it. I think there's a level plug on the side. So I'm going into the transmission controls, codes. Should have those two codes in history, back, clear codes, say yes. Codes cleared success, it says. Let's read them again. No codes present. So I think we got to view the transmission oil temperature when we're checking the level. Now I can run it with the air induction system off because it doesn't have a mass airflow sensor. Just waiting for the data list to come up here. Let's start it up and see. Oh, get in this. Put on the brake. Vehicle will be turned off automatically in 29 seconds. How do we change that? Okay. It's going to turn off in 30 seconds. Why? Man, there's so much ash in the air from the forest fires west of here. This car is covered in ash. Okay, let's look up the procedure for checking the fluid level. So here is the procedure I found. Place the vehicle on level ground, turn the ignition to off, disconnect the battery, remove the air cleaner assembly, remove the filler plug, 32 foot-pounds. Measure the oil level by inserting a suitable tool into the filler plug hole. Keep measurement should be 110 to 120 millimeters from the installation surface of the filler plug. 4.3 to 4.7 inches, so roughly 4.5 inches. Measuring the oil while replenishing an appropriate amount of oil, reference specified oil, wet clutch, dual. Yeah, that's the oil I got. So we need a measuring device. And it's done with the engine off. Turn the ignition off. starting the engine, warming up the control oil temperature to 20 to 30 degrees, 68 to 86 Fahrenheit, move the vehicle forward and reverse more than once. So we're going to look at the transmission temperature. It's been running for a couple minutes. Why does it say not supported? Exit. Scanner's glitching out. Well, let's try restarting the software. Let's go back to transmission, data. Back. Let's see if we can get engine data. Let's see if we got any codes in the engine side. I don't think we had before, no. So let's go back to the transmission. Let's read codes. Now I'm going to shut it off and restart it. Well, the transmission seems to be shifting fine. It's making all of the shifts. It's not slipping like it was before. We don't have any codes for the loss of communication with the high flow oil pump, which is what we replaced. Look at the smoke in the air. It's been like this since Sunday. There's forest fires burning west of here, about 50 miles west, and the wind's carrying the smoke. The transmission's working great. So we'll drive it a little bit more and make sure everything's okay. Just got back from a 10-kilometer road test. Transmission shifts fine. We'll call this one fixed. I don't know why that pump failed. Was suspicious that it happened because it went through water, but there was no signs of moisture inside of it. So just a one-off failure from what I understand. I talked to a Hyundai tech and he said he's replaced that pump on the Hyundai version of this, which I think is the Santa Fe. I'm not 100% certain, but that's it for now. Thanks for watching.